Could it be you calling me down, 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 down? My foolish heart turns at the stars.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Amber Ashli. Welcome back. If you are not new, welcome if you are. On my channel, we talk about fashion, music, and money. So if those interest you, please stay tuned. By the title of this video, I'm going to be mentioning stocks that I am currently investing on Cash App. So if you are aware, I started talking about Bitcoin. You can check out this video above. And I'm going to be talking about some more money videos. I also talked about like ways to save money. Check out my money playlist in the description box. But I have my phone because I don't want to miss anything, and I also wrote them down. That way I can talk about a little bit, about them. But I'm just going to jump right in. So everybody kind of knows about Cash App. It's an app where you can basically use as an interface between exchanging money between people, banks. You can also invest on there now. You can also order things through Cash App because you have a debit card that you can order for yourself. So it's pretty cool app, similar to Venmo. Alright, so, and it's free to use. Alright, so I'm going to show, I guess let me move over a little, on this side of the screen, the apps. So, I have Nike. Currently I have one stock of Nike, and everybody knows kind of what Nike is, athletic footwear and apparel brand. Largest of their brands is Jordan. So honestly, every time that there's going to be like a new sneaker coming out, you can expect people to go buy it, especially if it's a retro vintage type of drop. So like the trophies came out, you know, what just came out? The top fours just came out. Top fours. So if you have money in Nike, then I think they're probably always going to be around. They do brand deals. They work with artists. They work with sports. They're athletic. So I have stock in that. And then I also have Bill.com. And that is a cloud-based software that uses AI as a supply chain mechanism. So think of it as the back end of, I don't want to compare it to like iCloud, but where you store your data online using AI. So I read about them through, also on Cash App, you can read on like the top stocks at the certain time of your, you're looking at it. So I came across that app and I invested in there. So that ticker is BILL. The ticker for Nike is NKE. The next one is Innovative Industrial. They are a real estate investment trust that leases their properties to cannabis facilities. So they don't own cannabis. They essentially buy property and they rent it out, lease it to companies that have cannabis as their selling point. So it's pretty smart. And I think, obviously with cannabis, marijuana being what it is, and the industry getting into it now, as far as to make money, it's going to be around. So that ticker is IIPR. And the next one I have is Minnesota Group. That ticker is MNSO. They are a design-led lifestyle retailer like home decors, toys, and cosmetics. So obviously the obvious, I have home decor. I don't have toys, but gaming, stuff like that, cosmetics in my house. So why not invest in it and essentially use the, I guess I want to say the parent company of these smaller brands. That way you kind of know it's a cap on like everything else, kind of like the S&P 500 is the index for the top 500 companies in the US. So I kind of think of it like that. Minnesota Group. That ticker is MNSO. And then the next one I have AT&T. Ticker is T, one letter T. And everybody knows wireless communication company, phones, landlines, data communication cables, etc. So I found out they're the second largest U.S. wireless carrier in the U.S. They're the second largest U.S. carrier of wireless. So that's pretty cool. The next I have is Occidental Petroleum. They are an exploration and production company of oil and gas in the U.S., Latin America, and Middle East. And I found it interesting because I do have another oil investment on my apps, and they all have that same first sentence. They're an exploration and production company. So that ticker is OXY. And the difference of the two, I'll mention the other one, is Marathon Oil. is the other one is only based in US. So Marathon Oil is based in the US, and the Occidental Petroleum is based essentially in 3 other countries. So I found that pretty interesting. You know, diversification is always good, as I do for myself. And, you know, I'm investing in oil. Oil will be here even when we have electric cars, but there's going to be more, obviously, AI advancing itself through our modern life. So I think oil will always be around for sure. And then AMC. This is the only stock that I am losing money on, and that's okay. Actually, 2 days ago, AMC, which is the movie theater company, like Cinemark, their ticker, is AMC. AMC by AMC. I checked, and I'm down like $20 because I invested when it was, you know, that whole GameStop, AMC. The next, I think, following Monday was like set to go up, whatever. So I forgot about it because that's kind of how I look at these stocks. I'm not trying to like be a day trader on these particular stocks. So I forgot about it, and then I ended up losing. But that's okay. Even with Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is super low, and I have over $2,000 in that, and I'm not going to pull it out because when the stock is going low, that's when you're supposed to buy, because it'll always go back up. That's how the market is. It's a sine graph. So it will always go up, down, up, down, up, down. You just don't know when to time it, and you shouldn't panic because you don't know what people are going to do. You can never time the stock market. By the way, I am not a financial advisor, so do not take any of this as recommendations for what you should do. I encourage you to do your own due diligence with choosing whatever stocks. These are just what I currently have. And the way I found out about stocks is just by research. Obviously, there's a ton of information out there, but even the apps that you're using, just like I mentioned on my Webull video, which you can check out here or in the description box below, there are other avenues on the app itself that will show you more information about it. So I like the fact that even though Cash App charges a fee, it is easy for anyone to understand because they give you like a summary of the stock, and then you can see the high, low points, and then, you know, think about what you want to do as far as investing in it. So I think that's really helpful. So those are my current stocks that I'm investing on in Cash App, and that's all I got. I appreciate you tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the next video. Let me know if you invest in any stocks on Cash App. Do you have Cash App? Have you had it? I'm sure you do. But let me know if you started investing on there. Like I said, they do charge a fee, so I don't do too much on Cash App as far as investing, but I do have these, you know, stocks on there currently. So I'll be sure, you know, I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. But I appreciate you tuning in. Until next time, I will catch you soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will catch you on the next video. All right, peace.